everybody that don't know, man, this is my dream car right here. This is what I want, bro. This is the car that I want. And this thing, twin turbo, bro. Golly. Bro, this is the exact one I want, bro. I know. When I tell y'all this is the exact one, it got the bird on the hood. And it got T-top. This is my main thing. It gotta be T-top, bro. If y'all don't know what T-top is, this comes off on both sides, man. You can't see nothing. Bro, this is the exact one I want, bro. But you know, I'm putting 24s on there at least. At least foes. At least. It was a dude stayed by me, bro. Had his repainted black. Had the bird just like this, gold trim with some gold forges on it. Every time he came through that alley, bro, I was like, man, bro, I gotta get one of them. Bro, this car is crazy. This is what I want, bro. Anybody that knows somebody that got one of these, man, that's for sale, let me know. Even though I know it's gonna be a crazy price, an outrageous price most likely. I know it is. But this is, I don't care, bro. Hey, DeMarcus. Yes, sir, man. This is what I want. Look at that T-top, boy. Can't beat that. You gotta have T-top. Man, this is my dream car. Yes, sir. This is what I want, man. Almost the exact car. Black, gold with the bird, T-tops. Almost the exact car, bro. Here come my dream car, man. You better not come out here and don't do nothing either. Come on. What? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That boy running.
Boy, he got it.
He the first one to leave tire, boy.
Yep.